Hey everyone, today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to turn on light mode in Gmail on your PC with the latest update. If you prefer a brighter and cleaner interface for your emails, stick around. First off, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, it's time to find that gear icon, which is your gateway to customizing your Gmail experience. Look for the gear icon, typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu full of settings and options. Now, we need to head over to the Themes section. From the drop-down menu, you'll see a selection that says Themes. Click on it. This will take you to a beautiful array of themes you can choose from. In the Theme section, look for the option that says View All. Click on that to expand your options even further. Now that you're in the View All section, you'll need to scroll down until you find the default theme or the light theme. These options will give your Gmail a fresh, bright look that many find more appealing. Once you find it, simply click on it to select it. And just like that, you're all set. Your Gmail is now bathed in a crisp, light theme. Enjoy reading and composing your emails in this refreshing new look. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.